Hi everyone, we are with Mumbai with Henro. Where are you from?
Indonesia.
Which office?
Surabaya.
Bulunmaz Asia. We are in a jewelry exhibition in Mumbai. That's a machinery exhibition, but jewelry machine. A lot of business for you, a lot of information for our YouTube subscribers. But don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
How is the show?
I think show is good.
Yeah.
All the exhibitors are very happy.
I saw many Turkish companies like you.
They're very happy. Also the visitors are very happy.
Yeah, I see many visitors.
Many visitors. And this time our motto was, we do not want 10 people in one booth. Okay, visitors.
So
We
you
want
separate everyone.
no. We want one company which is equal to 10 companies. So we are focusing on the quality footfall. Okay.
I see, I was like here also last year. I see full of people and really more and more companies.
More and more companies, and the objective is to make this exhibition the biggest sourcing hub for the entire Asia and Pan Asia for jewelry machinery.
Okay. Also, as I know, as I experience, Hong Kong Jewelry Exhibition is going down because of political reasons and so on. And we don't have a major exhibition in Malaysia, Indonesia. There are small shops. So I also got the feeling. Last year I saw only local people, and this year I see many. I even saw Spanish, some European, many Dubai, Saudi people. So I get the feeling like it's a good.
We have many international buyers. We have got from Gulf, we are from Saudi, from Doha, from Dubai, from Jordan, from Oman. A lot of people are there from Sri Lanka, from Nepal, from Malaysia, from Bhutan, US, UK. So this exhibition, people are really thinking that they get a good exhibition, because see, we have Italy exhibition, we have Turkish exhibition, but in this exhibition, even the small guy, who wants a machine which is as compared to the international machine, but at a price which he can afford to. So here we are giving everything to everybody.
Yeah,
okay.
it's a
So the small
good combination.
manufacturer can see the machine. He can see the big ones. Maybe when he expands, he can buy it. But right now, we are serving his purpose.
Yeah. And KNC, you can see they are also organizing in Saudi Arabia, Jeddah. We have been also exhibiting as Bulunmaz. They have another show in Dubai.
just now.
So it's he has all his products, and as I told you, there are many different products in the exhibition.
Yes,
And here you can see products in different range.
yes.
Always welcome.
We sell all over the global, and our product like very much to our customer. And
You also export Turkey, right?
Turkey is lot, many customers. Yes.
If you are planning to visit Mumbai Jewelry Exhibition, you can just go on the website. I will put on the description. You will find all the information for visitors, exhibitors, how to get a booth, how to travel to country, how to get visa, which hotel to stay. They put all the information on the website of PNC company, the organizer. We just met the boss, the CEO, the owner, founder of the company. So everything is super easy. They made everything easy to visit this exhibition, which you will find lots of new products, new technologies. There are many Turkish exhibitors in Mumbai Jewelry Exhibition, and luckily they are having really good business. For example, that company is Reoro. That's a design company from Istanbul, Kuyumcu Kent. As you can see, there are plenty of customers. How are you? You are very busy.
Yeah, thank you so
Sorry to disturb you.
Yeah, no.
How is the exhibition?
It was great. This is second day. I think next second day will be fancy.
You feel okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Not tired?
Yeah, no tired.
So we have our Turkish exhibitors also having very nice business in Mumbai Jewelry Exhibition. You know, Turkish companies are exhibiting all around the world, and it's really make us happy to see them all around showing our Turkish products or any other exhibitors from Italy, from different countries. We are going to watch, to meet